In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and share your Monzo.me link in the Monzo app. If you want a quick, professional way to request money without typing out account numbers each time, your Monzo.me link is perfect. I'll walk you through where to find it, how to share it straight from the app, and what to do if you'd like to change your username. First, open the Monzo app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and that the app is up to date, as the layout and options can change with newer versions. If you're prompted for security checks like Face ID, a passcode, or a confirmation, go ahead and complete those so you land on your main Monzo home screen. From there, look along the bottom menu bar and tap the payments icon. This is where you manage sending and receiving money, splitting bills, and importantly for today, requesting payments. If you don't see it right away, give the app a second to load or check that you're on the latest version in your app store. Inside payments, choose request. This tells Monzo you're asking someone to pay you rather than sending money out. On the request screen, tap share a link. This option generates a payment link you can send via your preferred messaging app, email, or anywhere you can paste a URL. Your unique Monzo.me link will now be displayed, typically in the format Monzo.me, your username. This link is tied to your Monzo account and routes people to a secure page where they can pay you. It's a convenient way to keep things consistent. Once someone has your link, they can use it whenever they owe you money. Before sharing it widely, take a moment to confirm that the displayed username and profile details look right to you. That helps the person paying feel confident they're sending money to the correct person. When you're ready, use the share options provided by the app to copy the link or send it directly through your messaging apps. It's a good idea to include a short note with your message, like what the payment is for or the amount expected, to avoid confusion. If you want to change your Monzo.me username, you'll need to contact Monzo through the in-app chat support. Open the help section in the app, start a chat, and let the support team know you'd like to update your Monzo.me username. They'll guide you through the process and any requirements or limitations that apply. And that's it. You've opened the Monzo app, navigated to payments, requested a link, viewed your unique Monzo.me username, and you know how to reach support if you want it changed.